Hello everyone, this is Beverly Black and welcome to the family. I'm glad you stopped by today. Today we're going to be making Crockpot chicken and gravy. Stay tuned so you can learn how to make this recipe. This recipe calls for 3 to 4 chicken breasts, skinless, and you put a teaspoon of garlic powder on it, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and you put pepper to your taste, about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And this is the chicken breasts. I'm putting them in the crock pot, getting them ready. They're all in, and I season them ahead of time. And next we will need is you use 2 packs of chicken gravy. 2 packs of chicken gravy. You will need 1 can of cream of chicken soup and a cup of water. And we're going to combine all of this right now. I'm gonna put it in a bowl and whisk it up. Opening up my 2 packs of chicken gravy. Let me move this over so you can see what I'm doing. Everybody getting ready for the Thanksgiving season. Thanksgiving is Thursday. It is here. I pray that everybody's blessed and doing well. I know with this virus, we have to stay in the house. But this is an easy recipe right here. You can put it on rice or noodles when you get through. However you want to fix mashed potatoes. However you want to do it. Okay, I'm putting the cream of chicken soup in it. Then we're going to mix it all together and pour it on top of the chicken in the slow cooker. You cook it for 4 to 5 hours on low. I would check it after about 4.5 hours. I would check it. Get all this soup out of this can. Thought I had it all. Camera. Now we're going to pour the water in, 1 cup of water, and we're going to mix it all up together and pour it on top of the chicken. That was 2 packs of chicken gravy, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and 1 cup of water. Okay. Now, we're going to pour this on top of the chicken. And at near the end of the cooking time, which I'll be back, you add 1/2 cup of sour cream and you mix it all together. Now I got this all in here, and I'm gonna turn the crock pot on low for about 4.5 to 5 hours. And we will be back after that time to see how this crock pot chicken and gravy is coming out. Let me get this off of here. So I'm going to turn the crock pot on low for, I'm gonna put 5 hours and let it start there. and she is beginning to cook. And I will be back when it is done and I add the sour cream to it. We are back. The chicken is done. I'm getting ready to take it out of the pot and cut it up and then put it back in the pot. But after I cut it up, I have to put a half a cup of sour cream in the gravy mixture and stir it up good. Hold on. The Crockpot chicken is done. It's sitting in the gravy. This is Crockpot chicken and gravy. I have noodles ready and also some rice. I couldn't make up my mind which one I wanted. So you can put it on mashed potatoes, whatever you want to put it on, top it off with. But this is an easy meal and it tastes so good. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell. Share it out, leave a comment. I'd like to know what you think about this quick and easy recipe. Everyone have a blessed and prosperous evening.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower